Welcome to this Shopify tutorial where we will cover how to add and upload a Shopify theme via a zip file. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to access your Shopify admin panel. To do this, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the admin section. Once you are in the admin panel, click on the online store option from the navigation menu. Next, click on the Themes option. This will take you to the Themes page where you can manage all your Shopify themes. On the Themes page, click on the Upload Theme button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Now, you will see an Upload Theme window. In this window, click on the Upload Theme button and select the zip file of your theme from your computer. Make sure the zip file is the correct one and it is not corrupted. After selecting the zip file, click on the Upload button to start the upload process. Depending on the size of the zip file, this process may take a few seconds to complete. Once the upload is complete, you will see the theme listed on the Themes page. To activate the newly uploaded theme, click on the Actions button next to the theme and select Publish. This will make the new theme live on your Shopify store. Before publishing, you can also preview the theme to see how it looks. To do this, click on the Actions button and select Preview. This will open a new window with a preview of your store using the new theme. Best practices to keep in mind when uploading a new theme include making sure the theme is compatible with your Shopify version and testing the theme thoroughly before making it live. It is also a good idea to create a backup of your current theme before uploading a new one. In conclusion, uploading a Shopify theme via a zip file is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily add and upload a new theme to your Shopify store and make it live for your customers. To see